Natural remedies for allergies. So a friend of mine asked me, Mary, what kind of things would you use if you were struggling with allergies right now?
Hello, my friend. I'm Mary Howard with Powerline Health, bringing you another episode of Essentially Yours, where we want to come alongside you and help you in your day with natural solutions. And today we're talking about allergies.
Pollen's high. So, right away my mind comes back to the basics. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint. They have such a synergistic effect.
Lemon, lavender, and peppermint are natural antihistamines, so combining the three together works amazingly well. There's a few ways you could use lemon, lavender, and peppermint to help you with your allergies. You could simply put 2 drops of each in a capsule and take it internally. You could put 2 drops of each in a small amount of water and shot glass it. Or you could put 2 drops of each in an essential oil diffuser. That's a really good way to use the three together. Another way, if you're out and about, you can just put a drop of each in the palm of your hand, rub it together, and inhale. And then a fourth way actually, a fourth way would be that you could make a roller ball of those 3 oils with carrier oil and roll that on your wrists or someplace where you could just stop and smell it. So those are a few ways to use lemon, lavender, and peppermint.
When you have allergic reactions, your body is overreacting to the pollens and the things in your environment. And so with the lemon and lavender and peppermint, they're desensitizing your body to some of these allergens, and they're calming things and helping your body to calm things inside of you.
So why are lemon, lavender, and peppermint so effective for allergies? Well, lemon has a cleansing effect on the body and the body systems, and it just helps the respiratory system work a little better. Lavender has a calming effect, which gives that between the cleansing and the calming. Now you have kind of a balancing effect going on. And then peppermint opens those airways and makes it a little easier to breathe and helps the respiratory function work a little better. And together, they're just amazing at cleansing the body system and protecting it against your body being overreactive. That's often what's happening in allergy season. Your body has so many things coming at it that it's just overreacting. So the lemon, lavender, and peppermint synergistically help to calm that reaction and keep your body from overreacting. Also helping your body to cleanse so that it's not continually feeling so bombarded. There's another group of essential oils that work really well for allergies or just any time pollens are high. Maybe you've been exposed to dust or molds and you're just having a hard time getting a little extra oxygenation. You just need a little to be able to breathe a little easier, maybe at night, just for a lot of reasons that you just want to kind of open up your airways. And that group of essential oils is eucalyptus, peppermint, melaleuca or tea tree, and lemon. So you could put them in a diffuser. I would probably use a little more of eucalyptus, peppermint, and lemon than I do of melaleuca, but you can play with the mix and see what smells the best to you. They actually smell better together than by themselves. That's what I think in some cases. The other thing you could do with these is put them in your own roller bottle, and make a roll-on that you could put on your wrists and your neck, or maybe your chest at night, or just any time you need a little extra oxygenation. That group of essential oils is also great if you're going to exercise and you just want to help your oxygenation a little bit So there's that use too. Another way you could use that group of essential oils is to put a sink full of hot water and put some of those drops in and then make a tent over your head with a towel. And that way you can take advantage of that vapor. Those essential oils also provide a soothing, calming effect.
Some of the things that you can do in your everyday life that'll help with allergies is, well, of course, first of all, you want to identify the things that trigger you the most and to try to avoid those. But some of the other things that you can do are finding some local honey and purchasing that, and using some locally grown honey will help. Eating foods in season that grow in your local area will help. Can sometimes help desensitize your body to some of the local things. Closing doors and windows when you have a family member mowing the yard. It's a huge one because the mowing seems to stir up things. I can tell you that my own daughter her allergies had gotten to such a point that she was having to use inhalers. And we didn't like that. So we started simply using the lemon, lavender, and peppermint. Then we also used a mix that had peppermint and eucalyptus in it in a diffuser in her room at night. And that helps too. Open up the airways. If you're actually already in a state where your allergies are out of control, some of those essential oils that help your open your airway and help you get a little better oxygenation is a great resource. These things won't cure the allergy. You still have to figure out what the irritating factor is. These things are simply giving your body the tools to do the hard work. Can't always remove medications completely, but oftentimes if you have multiple allergic reactions going on, if you can remove some of them or the worst of them, your body will calm down and have fewer and fewer allergic reactions. Fortifying your immune system. Your cruciferous vegetables are really important, so that's your cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, kale. Your vitamin C laden fruits are really good, so your berries, which are also your antioxidants in your berries. Oranges and lemons, lemon water.
There's also a unique way of making your own herbal tincture by collecting local plants that are edible. And so I have a friend, Dr. Jerry Peterman, that has done that. So if I can find his video, we'll post a link to that in the description below. I hope that's helpful in your day. It's springtime. Get out there and enjoy this weather. And don't let a little bit of pollen hold you back. Until next time, be well.